Hi, welcome to our Mr. channel. In today's video, we will go through the installation process of Visual Studio Code. Let's go! Okay, so first of all, we have to download our installation file. So go to your favorite browser, in my case, Google Chrome, and then search for Visual Studio Code download. Visual Studio Code download, yes. So make sure that you download this installation file for official site of Visual Studio Code. The first link is the official site. So I'm on Windows. Okay, the downloading of the installation file started. Okay, after it's finished, let's go to the folder where we downloaded our installation file. Show in the folder. Cool, so double click, open the installation file. Yeah, so license agreement of Visual Studio Code. If you want, you can read it, but I trust it and I'm gonna accept it because there is no other way to install it. So the location of storing Visual Studio Code, I wanna let it be how it is right now. And the menu folder, yes. So now, what do we want to have? So we want to create a desktop icon and other. I would like to check these two boxes because these two boxes, this first checkbox will create an action from the File Explorer. When you click on the file, it will just give you opportunity to open this file in Visual Studio Code. That's the same with the second option. This option is also for Windows File Explorer, but this option make directory to have an ability to be opened by Visual Studio Code. So I want both these options. Hit the next and install. Wait for the installation finished. Okay, and it's done. So we would like to launch Visual Studio Code. Hit the finish. Yeah, and the Visual Studio Code has been launched. So the first setup, get started with the Visual Studio Code. You have here some options for the theme you would like to use. In my case, I want a dark theme, but I will change it later. And yes. Okay, that's all. So this is the code editor. What we want to do right now, we want to just open a new file. We can create a new file right here. But what we want to do right now is to create a new folder in our desktop, new file there, and try to open it with Visual Studio Code. So let's go. Go to the desktop, click new, folder, VS Code test. We want to create a new file here, yes, and name it index.html. Cool. Yeah, we would like to change it. So, what now? When we click right and go to show more options, we will have here option open with Visual Studio Code. What it does, it will open this old folder in Visual Studio Code editor, and we will be able to see this directory right here on the right side. Now we can see the file index.html here. So we can do some basic code here from HTML. Yes, we trust this because we created. So yes, this is the auto completion. And now we would like to type something like hello world. Save it. And now we want to open it and see if it works. Yeah, it works. This was the video about the basic installation of Visual Studio Code. I hope you find it useful. See you soon. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button and the bell to turn on the notifications. Follow me on Odyssey and you won't miss my new videos.